Alright, got my G372 back out with 28-inch bar. I've done some more work on my chain. I'm trying to get it tuned into this 20-inch diameter red oak. Just get it cut the best I can with what I'm working with. What I did, I filed my teeth a little bit higher, took a little bit of hook out of them, and I cleaned out the gullet area a little bit. So let's try it out again on this same 20-inch diameter piece we cut the last 2 times with a saw, and see if we can get it to cut any faster. Let's give it a shot and see what we got. Maybe crank it and warm it up and make a few cuts.